Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In this video, we will be covering and seeing college going tops, kurtis and everything because the new session has started and everybody needs college में पहनने वाले चटपटे कपड़े. So I have ordered a bunch of short kurtis, a bunch of trendy tops. So without wasting बहुत ज़्यादा time, let's get started with the video. The first product that we are looking at is this top. So it's like this, and ये मुझे लग रहा है लूज आएगा from here because मैं थोड़ी सी हो गई हूँ पीजी में रहने की. But anyways, इसका मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट कॉटन फैब्रिक है and the print is also very much in trend. These checks, polka dots, a lot of it is very much in trend. So yeah, and for summers it's such a pretty tie-up top. I really love it and you will be looking snatched क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये elastic band जैसा है. Plus it is definitely gonna fit you because it's so stretchy. It's so stretchy and I love it. Like it's too good. The next product that we have is this short kurti. I'm wearing it here in this one particular reel. Shorts. And it's very comfortable, very breathable, and the print is also very unique. Like it has all these random figures. Fine arts. I'm very bad at arts, so like I'm good at drawing but I'm not good at theory anyways. So it's very much comfortable to wear in this very hot humid weathers, and the sleeves are more of like till this length, and it's very comfortable and it's so lightweight and it is going to be very easy to wash and dry because the material itself is very thin, like very Hawaii. Love it. Also, this kurti is also from Snapdeal. It has a square neck sort of a design with these 3/4 sort of sleeves, and you can see the length and everything here in this video if I have attached anyways. Also, the price of each and every product will be mentioned here somewhere on the screen, so you can refer to that. And this is also a really nice and very comfortable kurti. As you can see, I wore it to college as well. I love this. I love wearing ethnics. I love wearing Indian to college. And it's a sleeveless kurti which has this elastic thing piche just so it should like it fits you. The straps are adjustable, so it's basically a steely deal, and it's more of like a peplum tops. Like it has these flares niche with pleats, so it looks very 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 beautiful when you wear it. I have also posted a YouTube shorts dedicated to all these kurtis that I've got from Snapdeal, so you can see to it and definitely purchase it for college because I really love it. And these are so affordable. Like I think this one is for 250 rupees, this one is for 260 something rupees, which is very affordable, very affordable. हम इतने का तो पास्ता खा जाते हैं. Anyways, so love this one. Moving on to the next one is this top. It is very much in trend, like ऐसे tops, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा famous है सरोजनी वगैरह में. But for people not living in Delhi, it's very difficult for them to go to Sarojini, of course. Like वो specially सरोजनी जाने के लिए तो travel नहीं ही करेंगे. So you can just order it from Snapdeal, and this is like this. Of course, the cotton material is very 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 breathable. It's really soft. Like देखो नए कपड़े थोड़े से कड़क तो होते हैं, but once you wash them, it becomes very soft. तो it is one of them. पीछे elastic है, तो फिर it is going to give you that snatched look as well as it is going to fit you. अगर ये थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे भी होगा साइज का, तो this is something which will cover it up. And ये again नीचे से peplum top vibes देता है, so love it. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked all the products, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel below. I have attached all the links in the community box, so kindly check that as well. And for और चीज़ें लाइक टॉप्स की फिटिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग मैंने और वीडियोस पोस्ट कर रखी हैं, तो वो आप देख लो. Until then, bye guys, see you in the next one.